My name is John Montany. I'm the Buildings and Grounds Supervisor for the Maywood Board of Education. We ended up purchasing numerous amounts of fixtures that will be permanently mounted in the bathrooms, and many, I think it's about 42 portable fixtures that we move from classroom to classroom to help kill not only COVID, but any of the pathogens that are out there. Just a little bit of research I did, it seemed what we really would need in the school to help us with all the pathogen elimination. And it just seemed like the way to go because it seemed to kill everything we needed to do. As I've been dealing with a few different vendors who try and sell me certain products, I find out that there's other underlying issues with the products that these people are selling. And listen, at the end of the day, me personally, I don't want to use chemicals if I don't have to. And this seems like a very simple and safe solution to ridding, hopefully, both the schools here in Maywood of all the pathogens with a limited use of any kind of chemical. My super has been thrilled with it. My BA has been over the top. I mean, I don't think they could place the order fast enough. We need these fixtures as soon as possible in the schools here in Maywood. What I would say is if anybody has any interest in buying or using this technology, they can contact me here in Maywood, and I will certainly spend some time, and if they want to come and see a demo, I'll certainly hook it up and show them what we're doing here in Maywood, and I think they will be pleasantly surprised. Like I said, it cuts down on the cost that we're spending on chemical disinfection right now, and it's a proven technology that I'm real happy with.